Hey. Sure. Kunjani vula?
Oh, isala lento.
Yensama. Uyaphi ndoda? Hayi. Kona ama undocumented engawabona bona ke le nenkosi yawo ke le.
Musa.
Boss. Inkosi. Hey. Hey.
Mr. Kid. Just before 10.
Who is home affairs? How old are you?
Okay, no stress.
Where are your parents?
Okay, sharp. Oh, man.
Yeah? What? Yo.
Okay, no stress. I'll speak to him now because I'm with him. Bye.
Yes. I need to know home affairs and social development. Yo, disaster, gele? You know, the things our parents do sometimes.
I mean, how old are you?
I mean, which language do you speak? Yo. Bathi baphethe abanye abazali kodwa. Uyabona kodwa abazali banokusenzani sometimes.
Sorry, Pat.
Khona kongisho ukudliwayo musi la.
Can you demolish this one as well?
Akuna next.
Hey, akazwa ngishila mina angiboni ukuthi khona I-understandayo. But ibuke mncane kanjani? Baba, social development. Yo, I think we need the assistance of social development here. He doesn't understand any of the languages.
But he's young. How old are you?
Yo.
Social development ingangenzi.
Siqale sibongele uadvocate Thembe Kancube Ayithobi. Sizokhumbula ukuthi kula maviki aphelile upresident uCyril Ramaphosa wampromote noma wamappointa as acting judge lapha kwi-Constitutional Court. Ngakho ke ngabe senze iphuthuma singambongeli. Ukuphumelela koyedwa wethu njengendle emnyama kukuphumelela kwethu sonke. Kufanele ke makukhona othola impumelelo endawana thize simbongele. Sike sibeke nje ipolitiki eceleni simbongele ngoba ukuzikhandla nokusebenza kwakhe kumbeke la khona.
Yes, I, Tembeka Nicholas Ayithobi, swear that as an acting judge of the Constitutional Court, I will be faithful to the Republic of South Africa, will uphold and protect the Constitution and the human rights entrenched in it, and will administer justice to all persons alike without fear, favor, or prejudice, in accordance with the Constitution and the law. So help me God.
I didn't hear that, so help me God.
So help me God.
I confirm that you are sworn in, and congratulations.
Thank you.
Acting Justice.
Thank you, Tembeka.
Ngibongela ku-advocate Ncube Ayithobi. Masidlula phambili sengike ngakusho lokhu ngaphambilini. Kubantu abanokuya eJozi eCBD bayayazi lento engishoyo. Labantu okuthiwa ama-traffic wardens noma amapanyaza amapanyapanya. Laba bantu labayana bafike bathatha ukuthi abazolekelela ekusebenzeni kwamaphoyisa. Bafike bajoin imikhuba enziwa ngamaphoyisa nabo bathatha intshontsho. Ibona abantu laba abagada labantu laba abangena ama-passport. Bayakwazi ukubona ukuthi ngathi wena unwaseZimbabwe, ngathi wena unwaseMalawi bakulande. Bajike nawe ekhoneni ukhiphe lo 150 noma 200. Ngaleso sizathu ugcine ungasaboshwanga. Into abayenzayo le sesike sakhuluma nangayo ngaphambilini. Kule insuku ezedlule ngithi ngingena ku-X yaziwa ngeTwitter ngizithela phe kwepost yokuthi babanjwe baboshwa abanye. Ngenza ke le video ngoba i-department lephethe upanyaza office ka-Premier ikhipha statement. 2 Gauteng traffic wardens arrested after allegedly abandoning duty, using fake number plates and extorting 4,000 rand from a foreign domestic worker in Benoni. The Gauteng Department of Community Safety has condemned the alleged unlawful conduct of 2 Gauteng traffic wardens who were arrested in Benoni on the 2nd of June 2026 following allegations of extortion and corruption. The department said incident raised serious concerns about abuse of authority by law enforcement officials. According to initial reports, the 2 wardens were officially on duty and assigned to visible foot patrols at a school in Benoni. They allegedly left their designated post and traveled through the area in a private vehicle fitted with fake false number plates. While traveling, they allegedly stopped a domestic worker after discovering she was a foreign national. The wardens allegedly inspected the woman's documentation and demanded money to prevent her arrest. About 4,000 rand was allegedly taken from the domestic worker. She later reported the matter to her employer, who accompanied her to Benoni SAPS to open a case. The vehicle was then circulated as a vehicle of interest and intercepted in the Benoni CBD later that day. The Department of Community Safety said it is investigating the matter and welcomed the swift action taken by SAPS and other law enforcement agencies. Gauteng Premier Panyaza Lesofi said corrupt conduct will not be tolerated and urged the public to report incidents of corruption, extortion, and abuse of authority involving law enforcement officials. Into mina engikhuluma ngayo akusinto engayixoxelwa yona, ngiyayazi sengake ngayibona, ingakho ngithe laba bamvimba umuntu bamthola ukuthi mhlambe akana passport. Uyasazi istory masabantu abangama foreigner mabedibana nabantu abangamaphoyisa. Passport, hayi passport isendlini. Uma bemvalele khona bathi awukwazi ukushiya passport endlini, omunye ugcine sekhulumela phansi athi asikhulumeni. Noma kusho bona akukhulunywe njengoba uzonithiwa bathatha 4,000. Mina ngiyavuma bakwenzile vele lapha bakwenzile ngoba yinto le engeke ngayibona. Angikhulumi into engiyizwayo, khuluma mina into engeke ngayibona enzeka lapha eJozi. Bayazi futhi nalabo abangaphuma kulamazwe ngaphandle ukuthi mawuhlangana nama traffic wardens ukhipha okweshumi uyadlula. Yazi ukuyitshela usukubone konke. Uyitshela ukuthi asengekubone konke la emhlabeni. Ubala iminyaka onayo vele udibane nento ongakaze wayicabanga ukuthi ingenzeka. Ithi le article, the city of Ekurhuleni has found 20 shacks built right inside a hijacked building along Victoria Street in Germiston, Gauteng. The building was also found to have illegally connected water and electricity. Kube lento bengixoxelwa umuntu zingekho izithombe bengeke ngize ngikholwe ukuthi konje imkhukhu ungayifaka kanjani kuyibhilidi ngaphakathi. Kodwa naye nje ububona nawe ku-screen sakho phakathi kwi-building kwakhiwe 20 yemikhukhu, and ngine-sure labantu bale mikhukhu baqashile lapho kunemali abayikhokhayo. Into efika ibe buhlungu kunazo zonke la ngale simo esikhuluma ngaso amalungelo ngenxa ye-human rights abakwazi ukuthi labantu babakhiphe la ngoba manje mase behijackile ibuilding kuthiwa kunento ekuthiwa human right. Awukwazi ukuthi uvele ubakhiphe nje ungazi ukuthi uzobabekaphi. Sekufuneka kube inkinga kahulumeni. Mina ngazi ukuthi kahle kahle lana makhulunywa nge-human rights kusuke kushiwo ukuthini. Okusho ukuthi lo mthetho lona kufuneka u-apply yonke indawo. Kufanele bavume ukuthi untshontshe isibhamu sephoyisa bese kuphinde uyekwe kuthiwa no ngoba akwaziwa ukuthi uzokwenza njani, yekwa naso. Angi-understand mina ukuthi ungafike wenza ubugebengu ngoba ukuhijack ibuilding ubugebengu lokho, ungene uhlale khona. Uma sesithi siyakukhipha wena uyenkantolo, ifika inkantolo ithi uma singenandawo uzonikwa yona, hlala lapho. Uhlale lana eqinisweni nje lilonke iyawakha nalento umqondo. Yazi mina ngangazi into esanganisa abantu kuyinsango. Angisho ngoba vele angiyibhemi. Uma kukhona oyibhema ayangixolele kodwa yona iyabasanganisa abantu. Ngiyacabanga nalabantu abenza le mithetho bayayibhema insango bese bayikhanda kahle le mithetho behayi. Ubehlala laphi lo muntu ngaphambilini? Umbuzo nje mina mangathiwa ngisemandleni ngazibuza ubehlala laphi ngaphambilini? Akabuyele la behlala khona. Akukwazi phela ukuthi umuntu angahijack i-building. Kumanje beba ugesi, beba amanzi. Abakhokheli lutho. Bese ngenxa human rights abakwazi ukubakhipha. Yabona ipost isho kahle ukuthi iCity of Ekurhuleni ikutholile into ezoyenza iCity of Ekurhuleni izokhatha ugesi. Izowakhatha amanzi. But for how long? And amanzi ay human right, ay basic need. Abeza ukuphoqa ukuthi baba supply ngamanzi. Nansi nje into efika ebhlungu yonke lento esikhuluma ngayo. Angiwazi mina umthetho wethu la eSouth Africa ukuthi uhamba kanjani. Yazi ngiyafisa ukube ngiyawazi ngabe sikhuluma okungcono. Manje ngibuye nami ngingawu-understand ingakho ngithi ngiyabasola lababhala lo mthetho ukuthi igudu into yabo. Ungenza kanjani vele ukuthi umuntu afika hijack i-building emveni kube seyihijackile sekufuneka wena momkhipha umuphi indawo azohlala kuyo. Ifana nalento le athi umuntu let's document the undocumented foreigners. Angifuni ngena kuleyo politiki kodwa ukuba la ngokungekho semthethweni kuyicala. Ubuphi ubugebengu kusho ukuthi khona ubugebengu oburight ofuneka sibenze bese sibeka human rights kuthiwa no asisebenziseni ubuntu. Ubugebengu.
Sukeleke nje uvela ufike nje esigodini ufike ukuthi uzokwakha nje. It doesn't happen.
Babehamba abantu baphaya
No, sengisho ukuthi it doesn't happen. So la igolo umuntu uvela afike nje asukele nje isiganga vele yakhe. Mase fika ugovernment esezo respond kube sengathi uyasukela. Bese umbuza umuntu ukuthi awukahle wena ngakini ungakwenza lokho. Ukuthi uvela usukele nje isiganga uvela usukugqumeka nje urondo uthi nje kwagogo la kwamkhulu la. Ngeke ngoba uyazi ukuthi inkosi nenduna nabanumzane bendawo bazokwenzana. Uyazi because kunomthetho. So nasegoli kunomthetho njengoba kunomthetho emakhaya. Kodwa abantu bavele behambe bakha nje. Ngijabona nje nikhuluma ngendawo abantu bavele basukela indlela la kuhamba khona abantu bavele bakhandile. So hambisa i-district development planning ngathatha i-TLB ahamba yo demolish kuthi ugovernment uyaganga. Kodwa umuntu osuke odecide ukuvala indlela nje ngendlu evalela abantu. So mina abantu bavele bengiconfuse lokho kwangempela. Yeah, but anyway kulungile.